Allegations of medical malpractice have been levelled against local doctors and hospitals here on the coast. Families of patients who've died following misdiagnoses are furious that regulatory authorities just have not acted. The Health Minister is refusing to intervene until a CMC investigation is complete.
Shocking claims kept secret for years bubbled over in Parliament.
To apply the blowtorch to the state and federal regulatory authorities.
7 doctors and 4 local hospitals are under scrutiny. The allegations are staggering: medical incompetence, sexual misconduct, Medicare fraud and patients being used as test dummies for unapproved research. What's worse, it's taken more than 2.5 years to investigate a death.
The Queensland coroner is not able to commence his inquest, and the family is angry, frustrated.
State and federal health authorities are also accused of failing to probe claims of dangerous drugs being overprescribed.
If these allegations are true, I have to wonder if I'm sitting here today instead of being at a park with my kids.
Michael Hornby lost his twin daughters and their grandmother in a crash 2 years ago. Their car collided with another driver who was on a cocktail of prescription drugs and marijuana. A coroner found no grounds to further investigate the prescribing doctor.
If he had received the treatment he should have gotten and what he deserved and what everybody with a mental illness deserves, I would have my kids here today.
Whistleblowers fear dozens of people have died as a result of widespread malpractice.
The harm done is unquantifiable.
Hospital staff who've spoken out have allegedly been bullied. GP Peter Herbert claims one doctor was operating without proper qualifications for 8 years.
It's quite scary in a way to realise that you're down to pretty much your last line of defence, the free press and the members of Parliament, and that everything else that's supposed to protect people just has failed.
MP Peter Wellington met with Senior Crime and Misconduct Commission investigators yesterday, calling for a review of authorities set up to handle complaints. The CMC is assessing a number of allegations, but says it's too early to tell if an investigation will be launched.
Whilst we have human beings, there are always going to be some complaints.
The Health Minister won't step in until a retired justice completes his probe.
If we do need to make changes, those changes will be made.
But families want change now.
I think it's time for people to be stood down and for CEOs to stop the cover-up.
Michelle Rattray, 7 News.